Right, how we doing this evening? On my way to a service call in National City. It is October 7th, Monday. It's almost 6 p.m. Heading over to National City to check out this water heater. It looks like a Rheem, probably like a 2019. Guy says you can't get it lit. I guess he said he had it off for a couple of months. It's in like a mobile home park. So we'll see what's up with that. My guess is a blocked pilot tube. That's what it sounds like, but who knows? Could be a bad valve. Let's see what's going on. Okay, doing a service call. Two, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it's blinking normally now. I did the reset procedure, but mine was doing this at home, so the valve was totally acting normal. But I think what I'm going to do is replace the circuit board, because I think it's a bad circuit board. So we'll be right back. That's it. Okay, so service call number 2. Down in the basement, we got a leaking. I'm so glad I brought my vacuum. I almost left without it. And I thought, you know what? There's a Rheem involved. We got a dripping plastic drain valve, so you know that's part of the issues. So we'll replace that. I think she said it was flashing. It had like a 2 flash. So we'll check that out too. But my car is very, very far away, so fix this. Oh shit, she's got a gate valve. So it's gonna be very difficult. Yep, it's frozen. Let me show you this nightmare. So there is a shut off, but it's for the hot. And then we got a frozen gate valve, which, you know, we don't want to touch because it's already broken. Just looking at it tells me it's broken. The fact that it's a gate valve tells me it's broken. They're garbage. I mean, these aren't really much better. You can see these things break too, but if you can put a good valve in, put a quarter turn or half turn shut off valve in, not these, not this, because that's going to make it difficult to change the drain valve because the water's under pressure. But let's see if we can't get it. This is a 2016. I hate working on these things. These are like the hardest water heaters to work on. Do not use appliance if equipped with piping system has been left off due to hazardous condition. For your safety, have a licensed qualified professional make repairs before use. Okay. So it's coming up blue, it's flashing. It's lighting. I don't see this thing leaking anymore. I kind of turned it. And we may have stopped the drain valve from leaking just by tightening it. I'm gonna go get my vacuum. And we'll see if this thing is still flashing blue when I get back. Alright, well, it's still running. So basically all I did was light it, and you can see it's kind of having a hard time getting air there on the side. But I lifted the insulation and got the standing water out of it. I would change the drain valve from plastic to brass, but there's no way for me to shut the water off, and we're at the lowest point in the house. So I don't like this ducting. It's kind of backdrafting a little bit here. But I don't think this water heater's got more than a couple years left in it anyway. So there's some weirdness going on. It's probably condensation from the gas burning. You can see the plumbing pipes have got some kind of leaking going on up here. Some kind of reaction. Looks like it's leaking right here. So anyway, we're gonna kind of call it on this one because I can't really go any further, and it's not giving me any trouble. So I'm not sure why she said it was she sent me a video of it blinking twice, but it seemed to come up pretty quick under normal operation. So I mean, the biggest problem I could see was the water. So this place, man, I swear, I just keep getting it. I guess everyone's garage is like this, but you just have like this narrow pathway, and yeah. I mean, look, there's a furnace. There's a furnace back in there somewhere. Think that thing's having trouble getting fresh air? Anyway, what are you gonna do? So, it seems to be going. I'll just let her know she can call me back on again if it happens again, and I won't charge the second time, but I will charge this time. Anyway, thanks for watching. So the previous service call turned out to be one of Dave's water heaters, and he's going to pay me. So now I got to get paid from Dave. I should have told the lady I didn't know Dave. But anyway, that was the Bradford white. I just switched the circuit board on that and did the reset procedure. And this one, I just vacuumed out some water. Really glad I brought my vacuum. I've been trying to do that lately because you just never know what you're getting into with Rheem. And sometimes people just don't really even see or know about the water. They just don't even think about it. And then you get out here and you find out that's related to the problem. So look, because it seems to be running pretty decently now. I could measure the thermopile voltage, but I don't want to shut it down in case I can't get it relit. But I'll let her know she can call me back out again. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. I do service calls, water heater installations. I sell parts, and I sell used water heaters. Sold a bunch this weekend. Haven't really been doing any installs. I turned a couple of those installs down, and the god of work has punished me with 2 to 3 weeks of no installations. So that'll teach me. Should have took those jobs while I could have, and they were difficult, but I should have just went ahead and did them. So learning my lesson. And even though they were difficult, sometimes I get that way when I get a lot of work. I start turning work down, and then that work just disappears. But a hard lesson learned, and have been making up for it with service calls and just selling water heaters, which that's just booming. So just trying to get my hands on some heaters, and I should be doing all right. Anyway, thanks again. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you on the next one.